The Localist event submission form was designed to be a no-brainer for your audience. But what if you have unique messaging you want to share with your audience? During this Localist lesson, we'll be showing you how your submission form can showcase these details with custom guidelines. So what are custom guidelines? These are simply just text placed strategically on or around the form to communicate details like who should be submitting events, what criteria the events must meet to be on your calendar, the turnaround time on event approvals, or maybe light instructions or some tips. There are 4 main pieces of the event submission form we are going to focus on today: the right sidebar, above the form, below the form, and within the form. To get started, log into your Localist admin dashboard. In the left side navigation, select Settings, then Appearance. On the Appearance page, select the code icon for your active theme. This will take you to the theme editor, where you will find all of the HTML files for your platform. Scroll down the list of files until you see the header Events. We'll be working in the public event submission form and _edit_sidebar files. First up is that edit sidebar file. This file powers the content located to the right of the main form. By default, the files already feature 2 boxes titled Adding an Event and Batch Add Event. This location is great for longer messaging, such as policies and disclaimers, or for outlined instructions. If you'd like to customize the content of these boxes, just replace or add to the white text you see in the file. Make sure you keep all of the opening and closing tags intact. You will find the headers on lines 3 and 11 wrapped in an H2 and the content of each box wrapped in P tags. If you'd like to add additional boxes, you can copy lines 10 through 15 of an unedited file and simply paste them before the closing div. From there, just replace the white copy as before. Both of these approaches are incredibly simple, as it keeps the default ID, class, and headers, so any out-of-the-box or custom styling will also apply to anything new you create. Of course, though, if you'd like to start from scratch, the sky's the limit. Now we're going to hop on over to the left side of the page, which is powered by the file titled Public Event Submission Form. Let's start at the top. This location is best suited for the most important information, such as who should be creating events and what kind of content is appropriate for your platform. If you'd like your new content to be above the submission form, you'll be adding a new line directly after line 16 of an unedited file. If you'd like your content to go within the box and right above the fields, you'd be adding this new line directly after line 21 of an unedited file. Now let's jump to the bottom. This location is best suited for letting your audience know what happens after submission, such as how long an event may take to be approved. To add messaging in the gray bar just above the Add Event button, you'll be adding a new line directly after line 218 of the unedited public event submission form file. So what about adding content within the form? When scrolling through the public event submission form, you'll see each form section wrapped in a field set tag, which starts and ends each section. You'll be adding a new line directly after the opening field set. For example, if I want to add a note to the photo section, I will be adding a new line directly after the opening field set on line 153 of an unedited file. As you've seen in all of these cases, you can just wrap your new text in a P tag and be set. However, depending on your organization's branding or the importance of the message you're adding, you probably want to style the new content to pop on the page. Instead of using just a regular P tag, you can add a P tag that includes inline styles as seen here. If you're new to HTML, we highly recommend checking out www.w3schools.com for easy to follow how-tos and to learn more about other styles you can apply using this method. Well, that's all, folks. You can read through our guidelines guide at support.localist.com/user-help, or you can learn more about the theme editor at support.localist.com/theme-editor. As always, if you have any questions, you can connect directly with the Localist team by emailing support@localist.com. Now go forth and show your audience how to best submit events to your calendar.